this should not happen. I don't know why this happened, but I did get a defect. So hopefully this will resolve the situation. Sometimes it is very good to just check your status because there may be mistakes on your account. Hey guys, it's Flipping Genius Finds. Happy New Year. I did get one of my customers saying that the shipment did not arrive. And then I started looking through the shipments of a lot of my items. And then I did notice that they were like backlogged or like they weren't moving. They were just stuck in one facility for like, several days. So I did request a search on some of the items. And I believe that this was one of the items that I requested a search on. It might be the reason why that this happened. But again, I did get a defect here on my performance level, which is not correct. So I went to the seller level, and sometimes you do want to check your seller status just in case there is something wrong or like there is like a dispute which may be incorrect. And I believe that this is really incorrect. It says here that shipping carrier indicated late delivery, shipped after handling time. That's what it says, but that's not true. Now, so I'm here at the USPS tracking for this item, and it says here that USPS was in possession of the item on December 8th, 11:41 a.m. And I know this package was actually purchased on the December 6th, which was on a Saturday, and was paid for on a Saturday. So I packed it up and shipped it out on Monday. So there should be really no defect on my account. So instead of calling eBay where they may put you on hold for a long time, it may be better just to go to ebay.com/sellerhelp/defect. So it does show several options. Shipped on time, which this is going to be my case right here. But you have other options, which is delivered on time, shown in tracking. Severe weather caused shipping delay. Technical issues on eBay. And disruption outside my control. So I'm just going to put shipped on time. And then I'm just going to add some information, which is, so remind you that Saturday is not a normal business day. It's just Monday through Friday for me. That's a normal business day that I've put in my business policies. Also, I have a 3-day handling time. So this should be in no way a defect, but for some reason there's a defect because it was late. So this is the next day, and as soon as I sent the submission for removal, I did get a message 30 minutes later, and it says our decision after careful review found the tracking shows the order was shipped and delivered on time. As a result, we are removing the late shipment from your account. You can expect to see this change reflected in your seller dashboard and in the seller help within the next 72 hours. So I did check on my dashboard the next day, which is today. And as you can see, the late shipment defect actually fell off. So yeah, it did take less than 72 hours. And I did get a response within like 30 minutes within the actual submittal. So this is a way to actually maybe contest some of your defects if you do have it. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time, and Happy New Year.